Somalia was once one of the most industrialized economies in Africa. Back in the 1970s, the government built and nationalized industries across the country, aiming for self-sufficiency. But what were those factories? Mogadishu Textile Factory. It was the biggest in East Africa. It employed over 3,000 workers producing fabrics and clothes for local markets and for export. Johar and Gelib sugar factories. These agricultural giants produce thousands of tons of sugar every year, making Somalia self-sufficient and even allowing it to export the surplus regionally. Kismayo Meat Factory. This was one of Africa's largest slaughterhouses. It processed and canned beef for high-demand markets in the Middle East, particularly Saudi Arabia, bringing in vital foreign currency. Las Corée Fish Factory and Kismayo Fish Cannery. Somalia's vast coastline was put to work. These factories processed and canned tuna and other fish, exporting them to Europe and Arab countries. Quite an impressive operation. Afguyi Pasta Factory and Baidoa Tomato Cannery. These factories were all about import substitution. They supplied spaghetti and canned tomatoes to the domestic market, ensuring people had access to key staples without relying on foreign imports. Berbera Cement Factory. It produced the cement needed to build roads, bridges, and all the new infrastructure across the country. A crucial backbone for development. Plus, there were dozens of smaller factories making things like soap, plastics, shoes, flour, and even matches. Altogether, these industries gave jobs to tens of thousands of Somalis and, honestly, established Somalia as a major player in the regional economy.